Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use an editable Python script in FreeCAD to design a sphere like this one. Okay, so the radius of this sphere is 20 millimeter. I'm gonna be showing you how you can edit this script and change the value of the radius. Okay, but guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to show the Python panel, and to do this you need to go to View, Panels, then you click on Python Console. Next you need to click on the link mentioned in the description box below to copy this code, okay, and paste it in the Python console like this. Right click, fit all. Then as you can see here, this is the sphere and the radius of the sphere is 50 millimeter. As you can see here, the radius is 50 millimeter. You can change the radius, let's say, to 20 millimeter. Then you copy all the code, right click, copy. Then you come back to the Python console, right click, clear console, right click, then you click on paste, right click, fit all. Then you click here. Then you go to measure, and as you can see, this is the new radius and this is the new sphere of 20 millimeter radius. Okay, so this is how you can use an editable Python script to create a sphere in FreeCAD. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer. Thanks for watching.